This is the original document that I got in Canva, and my goal here is I'm going to copy this whole design to this page, and then this page, and then this page. And as you can see, each of these three template documents in Canva, they do have different aspect ratio, and I'm going to fit everything into these three documents, and here's how I can do that. Now, most people, when they want to copy a page from one Canva document to another, they're usually going to select all the elements, like by pressing the keyboard shortcut Control and A, or also you can use the keyboard shortcut Command and A if you're using Mac, and then you want to press Control C, or you can also just right click and then click copy, and then you want to paste that into your new document in Canva. And unfortunately, this method is probably not the best method because you are not getting the background, which is probably the most important element for the whole design, and that's why this method doesn't work. Instead, what you need to do is you have to open the thumbnail view. So this will open this area. This is very important. And then you want to right click on any of the thumbnail of the page, and then you want to click copy, and then go to another document like this one, and you can right click and click paste, or you can also press the keyboard shortcut Control and V. And this is exactly the same as the previous document. They are exactly the same, even though one is presentation and the other is wallpaper. But what about this document, which has a square dimension? Again, the process is the same. You can right click on the thumbnail, click copy, and then you can right click on the new document and then click paste, and Canva will automatically redesign everything into the new aspect ratio. Sometimes the result is good, sometimes it's not very good, but this is the best you can do if you don't want to redesign everything from scratch. Now let's try the same thing for this new 9:16 aspect ratio, which is the opposite of the original document, and see what's going to happen. I'm going to copy, and I just need to right click and then paste. And yeah, this is the result. And as you can see, there are a few things that we need to fix manually, like this is one element that should be at the very bottom. So sometimes you can get something that is very similar, sometimes you have to do your own editing, but I think the result is not disappointing. I think they are pretty good. So that is how you can copy a Canva page from one document to another without having to redesign everything from scratch. So if you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.